Testosterone. It's a word that conjures up images of masculinity, strength, and virility. Testosterone is more than a male hormone. It's vital for muscle growth, bone density, libido, and mood. This essay explores testosterone's role in health and how to optimize levels for a fulfilling life. Let's dive in. Testosterone is intricately linked to male fertility. It's essential for the production of sperm, the tiny powerhouses responsible for fertilizing an egg. When testosterone levels are low, sperm production can be significantly impacted, leading to difficulties conceiving.
Research from the American Urological Association, AUA, highlights the importance of healthy testosterone levels for optimal sperm health. Studies have shown that men with higher testosterone levels tend to have higher sperm counts and better sperm motility, meaning the sperm are more likely to reach and fertilize an egg. In cases of male infertility, specialized techniques like testicular sperm retrieval, TESSI, can be employed. These procedures involve extracting sperm directly from the testicles, often yielding sperm with better quality and a lower DNA fragmentation index, DFI, which is associated with improved fertility outcomes.
Understanding the critical link between testosterone and fertility is crucial for men who are trying to conceive. By optimizing their testosterone levels, men can significantly improve their chances of fatherhood. The good news is that there are many natural and effective ways to boost testosterone levels and enhance fertility. Simple lifestyle changes can make a world of difference.
One of the most impactful steps is regular exercise, particularly resistance training. Lifting weights and engaging in high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, have been shown to stimulate testosterone production. Aim for at least 3 sessions of strength training per week, focusing on compound exercises that work multiple muscle groups simultaneously.
Diet plays an equally important role. Focus on consuming a balanced diet rich in protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Foods like lean meats, fish, eggs, nuts, seeds, fruits, and vegetables provide the essential nutrients needed for testosterone synthesis.
Chronic stress is a testosterone killer. Engage in stress-reducing activities like yoga, meditation, deep breathing exercises, or spending time in nature to keep stress hormones in check.
In addition to these lifestyle modifications, certain supplements have shown promise in boosting testosterone levels. D-aspartic acid, DAA, vitamin D, zinc, and ashwagandha are just a few examples. However, it's always best to consult with your doctor before starting any new supplements.
Section 4. Beyond libido. Testosterone's impact on overall health. Testosterone impacts more than libido. It builds muscle, strengthens bones, and boosts mood. Higher levels enhance strength, energy, and cognitive function. Emerging research links it to reduced chronic disease risk.
Section 5. Testosterone replacement therapy, a solution for low levels. For some men, lifestyle changes and natural remedies may not be sufficient to address clinically low testosterone levels. In such cases, testosterone replacement therapy, or TRT, may be a viable option. TRT involves supplementing the body with synthetic testosterone to restore levels to a healthy range.
It is typically prescribed for men diagnosed with hypogonadism, a condition characterized by the body's inability to produce adequate testosterone. The global TRT market has witnessed significant growth in recent years, reflecting increased awareness and demand for testosterone-related treatments. It's projected to reach $2.5 billion by 2030, indicating the growing recognition of testosterone's importance in men's health. However, it's crucial to emphasize that TRT should only be pursued under the guidance and supervision of a qualified healthcare professional. They can determine if TRT is appropriate, recommend the most suitable delivery method, whether it be injections, gels, or patches, and monitor for potential side effects.
Section 6. Navigating age-related testosterone decline. As men age, it's natural for testosterone levels to gradually decline. This decline typically begins around the age of 30 and continues at a rate of about 1% per year. While this is a normal physiological process, it can lead to a range of age-related changes.
Declining testosterone levels can contribute to decreased muscle mass, increased body fat, reduced bone density, lower energy levels, mood swings, and even erectile dysfunction. These changes can impact a man's physical health, mental well-being, and overall quality of life. While aging is inevitable, there are proactive steps men can take to mitigate the effects of age-related testosterone decline. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise, a balanced diet, stress management, and adequate sleep, can help preserve testosterone levels within a healthy range for longer. Additionally, regular checkups with a healthcare provider are essential for monitoring testosterone levels and addressing any concerns or potential health issues.
Section 7. Unlocking your full potential, testosterone and a vibrant life. Testosterone is an influential hormone that profoundly impacts various aspects of a man's life, from his physical health and reproductive capacity to his mental well-being and overall vitality. Understanding the multifaceted role of testosterone empowers men to take charge of their health and optimize their testosterone levels for a more fulfilling and vibrant life. By embracing a holistic approach that encompasses lifestyle modifications, dietary adjustments, stress management techniques, and when necessary, medical interventions like TRT, men can unlock the full potential of this powerhouse hormone. Remember, maintaining healthy testosterone levels is not just about building muscle or enhancing libido. It's about cultivating a life filled with energy, strength, resilience, and well-being.